The SAT calls this a difficult problem, but I'm going to show you how to do it in under a minute. So they have some intersecting lines. They give us that this angle is 106 degrees, this one's 23, and this one is x. We're solving for x. X is an external angle of this triangle, which means that it forms a linear pair. It makes a line with one of the angles in the triangle. We know that lines are always going to have 180 degrees for their angle measure. So if x plus y makes a line, then x plus y would add up to 180 degrees. Now that helps us if we know what y is. In this case, they don't give us y. But we know that y and 23 and this other missing angle, let's call that z, would also add up to 180 degrees. So if y and x add up to the same thing as y and the sum of z and 23, that means that the sum of z and 23 is equal to x. The exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the other two angles. We can write that down and say that x is equal to the sum of 23 and z. Now we just need to figure out what z is. And that's super simple because they gave us this 106 degrees. The 106 and the z make a line, which means that they also add up to 180. So if we know 106 plus z equals 180, we could subtract 106 from both sides. And that gives us that z is equal to 180 minus 106 is 64. So x would be equal to 23 plus 64. 23 plus 64 makes 87. And we don't even need a degree symbol because they already have one right there.